Okay, so how to modify a cable for the drone that goes to the remote to the phone. Problem is, this remote here likes to charge the phone while being used, and it drains the battery in the remote. Pretty stupid. No way to stop it from doing that, which is idiotic. Found a YouTube video. This guy here helped me. Looks like the Rangers scored again. 3 unanswered goals. Sorry for the interruption, but it's now 6-3. It was just 3-3. Dallas had a goal. It was taken away from offside. And the Rangers just fired back with 3 goals. Incredible. So, back to this. By modifying this cable, you cut the power cable, the red, put a diode in it. This side of the diode has to face the phone side. That side goes to the drone remote phone. What happens now is it will still work. The software, the app will work. It will still connect to the phone. But it won't charge the phone. Therefore, it won't be destroying the battery in the remote. Hopefully this works, because I did exactly what this guy said to do in the YouTube video.
It is as simple as that.
He did the same thing, but he did a little bit different with a jumper cable where you could charge the phone and remote via power bank. With that jumper, he's going to connect another Type-C cable that jumps off that. It will bypass the diode, and then you can charge both, but I'm not worried about that because I charged them both, everything individually. So if this works, this is going to be fantastic. That's a great video to watch. And damn, keep going, Rangers. My God, all of a sudden, offense woke up, finally. Let's go Rangers, let's go drone remote. Okay, looks like it worked. So what happened, drone remote is on. I'm going to plug the cable from the drone remote to my phone. Sorry, trying to do this with 2 hands. Humans need more arms. Let's try it this way. Oh boy. So if I plug it in, boom. The app should open up all on its own. Which means that, there you go, look at that, DJI. It recognized it. So that means it's not going to be draining the damn battery in the remote to charge the phone. If I go back to the home screen, not doing anything. Fantastic. Go to this app. It sees the device. The phone sees that. Discharging, that's good. This is fine. It's not taking power from that. If I bypass that diode, right there, if I bypass that, this battery will start charging this and just makes the phone hot, and it drains the battery in the remote. Pretty stupid. So now I'm going to go test it. Keep it local, low to the ground, flying it in the backyard, just to see how it works perfectly. See how it works, that's all. And hopefully it works perfectly. Nice. Keep scoring Rangers.